Hey guys, welcome to another Airsoft Amigo gameplay video. We are at Panther Airsoft out in Surrey, BC. So this is attack and defend the police station. Whatever team has the most players inside the police station at the end of the round wins. And there goes Pat. He is off and flying. He's another member of the meme team. Really solid dude, and he's like a freaking ninja here.
Go Pat! John, moving! Nice. I was like, that's a shotgun! We got so many guys pushing left. Just kind of useless. Alright, Pat. Hey, there's a guy in the building!
This is cover fire, so Pat can move up. It's fantastic and not well aimed.
Moving! Hit!
Solid shot by this dude. Literally, the second I get
just
to
an elbow
cover,
shot.
I'm done. Well done, dude.
So back of the building, John, that tree, like 4 feet off the right-hand side. We got fire coming from that way. You see your guy, John? Got him! Let's go! Let's go! Push up! Come on, guys! Let's go! Let's go! Come on, Kimmy! Got two! You guys! Hit! Mag! Ah, nice!
That's it. I'm going Dennis hunting. He's recently got a sniper rifle back. He's a pretty good shot and a good player. I've already killed him once, but I think he's shot me like 2 or 3 times now. So I'm gonna go harass him a little bit.
Got him. We got Dennis down at that back corner sniping, eh? Thanks, buddy! Hey, I'm gonna slice that window. Clear. Okay, I think we got this. Got it. Oh man, you were punching holes in the wood, eh? Hit! Nice shot, Scotty! We got Dennis crossing far right. Here, Maddie. Here, no, stay there, stay there. Ready? That's okay. Hey, Kimmy, so Dennis has gone down there. Yeah. Hit. Oh, I see him. I see him.
All right, here we go. I'm going Dennis hunting again. Oh man, they know I'm here. I can see a scope reflecting. That's dead.
Hit. Oh.
I can't see it, I think.
Let's go.
Hit.
Hit. You won it, Scotty! Woo! Not you, Scotty, this Scotty! Good game, guys.
I didn't know how many of you guys were in here. I thought there was only one.
If you guys like this video, please subscribe. Next video coming up is going to be a funny medic video where I sit there, keep my team alive, and pretty much just listen to them yell at each other.